Now let's compare the volume of shapes that have the same base and height. We want to determine formula for the volume of a cone and the volume of a pyramid. The cone on the left has the same base and height as the cylinder on the right. Recall the volume of a cylinder with radius r and height h is volume equals pi r squared h. The pyramid on the left has the same base and height as the prism on the right. Recall the volume of a prism with a square base and height, h is volume equals base area times height. How much of each shape on the right will be filled by the corresponding shape on the left? Recall that the formula for volume of a rectangular prism is volume equals length times width times height. After completing this demonstration, you may have noticed that the pyramid's volume will fit into the regular prism 3 times. Therefore, the volume of the pyramid is of the volume of the rectangular prism. Since volume of the prism is equal to base area times height, then volume of a pyramid is equal to base area times height divided by 3. Or, volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 multiplied by the base area times the height. Note that the base of this pyramid is a square. So the volume of a pyramid equals 1/3 base times the base times the height. Remember, the area of a square is equal to side times the side. So from this, we can state that the volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 b squared h, or base squared height. Or we could say the volume of a pyramid is equal to base squared multiplied by height divided by 3. But the formula for volume of a cylinder is volume equals pi r squared h. Also, the volume of the cylinder was 3 times the volume of the cone. Therefore, the volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. Since the volume of a cylinder is equal to base area times height, then the volume of a cone must be the base area times height divided by 3. So basically, we have to remember what we're doing here is we're taking the original formula, for instance a cylinder, and we're just taking that formula and dividing it by 3. Note that the base of a cone is a circle. So now we need to know what the area of the formula for the area of a circle. Well, we know that because we've done it before when we were calculating the area of a circle. The formula is pi r squared. Therefore, the volume of a cone is equal to pi r squared h divided by 3, or 1/3 pi r squared